Are you looking some inexpensive gift ideas? Or maybe you're a gadgeteer looking to catch up on some cool tech. This video gives you 11 of the top, low-cost gadgets you need to pick up. So let's get started. Starting at number 11, COSORI Coffee Mug Warmer. The COSORI Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set redefines beverage enjoyment. Its elegant design seamlessly blends into any setting, enhancing both aesthetics and function. The performance is remarkable, maintaining your drink's temperature at a consistent and ideal level for extended sipping pleasure. The touch-sensitive controls add a modern touch, allowing effortless temperature adjustment. The inclusion of a high-quality mug completes the package, ensuring compatibility and style. The intelligent microgravity sensor further enhances safety by automatically turning off when the mug is removed. With a spacious heating plate, it accommodates various mug sizes. This set not only offers a warm beverage but also elevates the entire experience, making it a thoughtful gift or personal indulgence. The COSORI Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set epitomizes sophistication, warmth, and convenience in every sip. At number 10, Etekcity Cordless Neck and Back Massager. The Etekcity Cordless Neck and Back Massager is a pinnacle of relaxation technology. Its ergonomic U-shaped design cradles your body, providing unparalleled comfort. The dual-node massage heads mimic human hands, delivering a deep and therapeutic massage experience. With multiple intensity levels and heating options, it caters to individual preferences, easing muscle tension and promoting blood circulation. The cordless design grants freedom of movement, allowing you to enjoy a soothing massage anywhere, anytime. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures extended usage. Its compact and lightweight form adds to its portability. The sleek touch controls offer intuitive operation. Whether you're seeking relief from a long day or aiming to enhance your well-being, the Etekcity Cordless Neck and Back Massager transcends expectations, providing a spa-level massage from the comfort of your home. At number 9, Philips Norelco Multigroomer Trimmer. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000 embodies grooming perfection. Its sleek and ergonomic design ensures effortless handling and precision. The performance is exceptional, courtesy of the dual-cut technology that effortlessly powers through various hair types. With multiple attachments, it morphs into a versatile tool, catering to beard, hair, and body grooming needs. The self-sharpening blades ensure lasting performance and reduced maintenance. The device is fully washable for hassle-free cleaning. The long-lasting battery guarantees uninterrupted grooming sessions, making it a travel-friendly companion. The adjustable trimming lengths and precision trimming settings allow you to craft your desired style with ease. This trimmer seamlessly blends form and function, elevating your grooming routine to an artful experience, ensuring you look your best and feel confident every day. At number 8, iOttie Universal Car Mount Phone Holder Desk Stand. The iOttie Easy One Touch 5 Car Mount Phone Holder is a pinnacle of smart design and exceptional functionality. Its minimalist yet robust build effortlessly complements any car interior. The performance shines with its effortless one-touch mechanism, securely gripping your phone while ensuring effortless insertion and removal. The adjustable telescopic arm allows optimal viewing angles, enhancing driving safety. The reusable suction cup ensures reliable adherence to both dashboard and windshield. Its versatile compatibility accommodates various phone sizes and cases. The built-in cable management keeps wires organized and tangle-free. With its easy installation and removal, this holder provides utmost convenience. Whether navigating, streaming, or answering calls, the iOttie Easy One Touch 5 Car Mount Phone Holder is a reliable companion, streamlining your driving experience and promoting safer, hands-free interaction with your device. At number 7, Etekcity Heat Temperature Temp Gun. The Etekcity Infrared Thermometer 1080 is an ingenious tool that seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Its sleek and compact form provides easy handling, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. The device excels in performance, swiftly delivering accurate temperature readings without any contact, ensuring both safety and precision. The versatility of its applications is notable, making it indispensable for various scenarios, from cooking to HVAC troubleshooting. The backlit LCD screen enhances readability, even in dim environments, while the laser targeting system ensures pinpoint accuracy. The adjustable emissivity setting adds a layer of customization, enhancing accuracy across different materials. Its reliability and ease of use make it an asset for professionals and home users alike, offering a fast and efficient solution for temperature measurement without compromise. At number 6, Presto Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. The Presto 08810 Professional Electric Knife Sharpener is a masterstroke of culinary innovation. Its sleek and compact design harmonizes seamlessly with any kitchen setting. The performance is nothing short of remarkable, revitalizing dull blades with precision and efficiency. The 3-stage sharpening system caters to various levels of blade wear, ensuring a razor-sharp edge. The intuitive blade guides eliminate guesswork, delivering consistent results every time. The motorized operation streamlines the sharpening process, saving time and effort. The detachable catch tray maintains a tidy workspace. Whether it's serrated or straight-edge knives, this sharpener revitalizes them to peak performance. This appliance amalgamates form and function seamlessly, resurrecting your culinary tools and elevating your cooking experience, making it an indispensable asset for both professional chefs and home cooks seeking culinary excellence. At number 5, Amazon Basics Portable Laptop Support Stand. The Amazon Basics Aluminum Portable Foldable Support Stand epitomizes functional elegance. Its minimalist design seamlessly blends into any environment. The performance is exceptional, effortlessly accommodating various devices, from laptops to tablets, with stability and ease. The adjustable angle and height settings ensure ergonomic comfort, promoting better posture during prolonged use. Crafted from durable aluminum, it guarantees longevity without compromising on portability. The foldable design grants effortless mobility, making it a versatile companion for work or leisure on the go. Non-slip rubber pads provide a secure grip, while the sleek finish adds a touch of sophistication. This stand's intuitive simplicity and reliability redefine convenience, enhancing productivity and comfort wherever you are. The Amazon Basics Aluminum Portable Foldable Support Stand is an embodiment of modern practicality and versatility, an essential tool for enhancing digital experiences. At number 4, Limelights GRY Stick Charging Outlet Table Lamp. The Limelights LT 2024 GRY Stick Charging Outlet Table Lamp merges functionality with style seamlessly. Its sleek design and neutral color effortlessly complement any decor. The performance is exceptional, offering convenient charging with its built-in outlet, catering to the modern tech-savvy lifestyle. The lamp's adjustable gooseneck design allows personalized lighting angles, enhancing versatility for reading, working, or ambient illumination. Its compact size makes it suitable for various spaces, from bedside tables to desks. The combination of a sleek fabric shade and brushed steel base adds a touch of sophistication. With its user-friendly on/off pull chain, this lamp blends convenience and aesthetics effortlessly, becoming an essential piece that caters to both lighting and charging needs, while elevating the ambience of your living spaces. Now number 3, DuroMax XP13000HX Dual Fuel Portable Generator. The DuroMax XP13000HX Dual Fuel Portable Generator stands as a robust and reliable power solution. Its heavy-duty design exudes durability and resilience, capable of handling various energy needs. The dual fuel functionality, running on gasoline or propane, offers exceptional versatility and extended run times during emergencies. The 500cc OHP engine delivers impressive performance, effortlessly powering essential appliances. With multiple outlets, it caters to diverse power requirements. The electric start system adds convenience to its powerful capabilities. The durable steel frame and never flat wheels ensure portability and stability. Its noise-reducing muffler keeps operation relatively quiet. Whether as backup power or for outdoor activities, the DuroMax XP13000HX presents an impressive amalgamation of performance and adaptability, making it an invaluable asset for both residential and recreational power needs. Now our second option is BLACK+DECKER 20 volts Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit. The BLACK+DECKER 20 volts Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit redefines cutting precision and versatility. Its ergonomic design and anti-slip grip ensure comfortable handling, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The performance is exceptional, driven by a high-powered 20 volts max battery, effortlessly slicing through various materials with impressive accuracy. The tool-free blade changing mechanism streamlines operation, enhancing efficiency on the job. The variable speed trigger provides optimal control over cutting speed and depth, catering to different tasks. The kit's inclusion of a battery and charger ensures uninterrupted work sessions. With its compact size, it navigates tight spaces seamlessly. This saw kit embodies a harmonious blend of form and function, making it an indispensable tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking a dependable and versatile cutting solution. Now our last choice is Blink Outdoor 8 camera system. The Blink Outdoor HD security camera is a pinnacle of modern surveillance technology. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into any environment, discreetly safeguarding your premises. Weather-resistant construction ensures durability in challenging conditions. The performance is outstanding, capturing clear and detailed footage in 1080p resolution, day or night. The advanced motion detection and customizable activity zones offer tailored monitoring, minimizing false alerts. The wireless setup eliminates the hassle of wiring, granting flexible placement. With a prolonged battery life and efficient power management, it requires minimal maintenance. The Blink app provides remote access, alerts, and cloud storage for captured footage, enhancing convenience and security. This camera embodies the marriage of sleek aesthetics and cutting-edge features, providing peace of mind and comprehensive surveillance for your property. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.